Okay, how y'all doing today? All right, so today I'm going to show you how to fix a measuring tape that cannot wind. So as you can see, I got this. It's all long and I can't seem to get it back in here. It does not work. So here's what we do. We have to take this thing off, which is that right there. Then you got two screws, one there and one here. Take this one off. Alright, see if I can do this. There we go. Alright, I'm going to have to put you guys down for this. Okay. Alright, so now that we got this, we go ahead and unscrew that one. Okay, and unscrew this one. Here's sideways. Okay. Once we get these out, you want to open these real careful. Okay. And this is what the inside looks like. Alright. So you want to see what is the problem with this. Okay, well in this case, the problem is that there's no room to wind up because all of this is loose. All that right there has to be tight. So in order to make that tight, we're going to have to put this back on. Okay, just so that I don't cut my fingers. And then we're going to slide this puppy out. Now make sure you keep it in the groove like this. Okay. And this is supposed to be the locking mechanism. You want to keep that. Okay, alright, well, apparently here it's going. See that? It's going, it's going. There we go. See that? You just kind of dive it back in there. Alright, very good. Okay, so the point of all this is that this needs to be all inside like this. Okay, make sure that goes back out. Okay, this goes in like that. Okay, so it's supposed to be like this. Now what we do is we're going to go ahead, make sure that's in, and make sure that there's little grooves on here. So make sure that these go in those little grooves. Okay. Otherwise, you're gonna not get them right. Okay. So we pull this out, and there it goes. It goes in by itself. Okay. So now that we have this back inside, we can try to put it all back together. Now, clean any debris that's in here. So that goes right there, like that. This locks it in place, and this, so when you pull this out, okay, and you do that, it locks it in place. See that? And then you release this, and then it's supposed to slide right in. Okay, so that's in, that's in. Now what we're going to do is put this back in here. Now, it's not too much of a trick. It's just getting it all to fit back in. Kind of like that. Now, go ahead and test it. There we go. Then you grab your little screw Now this one's the big one, okay? So make sure there's, you put them in the right order. Okay, now this one's the smaller one. That one goes in here. And you kind of tighten it up. Don't tighten it too tight, but just tight enough. See that? All right. So it's working. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. There we go. There we go. So it will get caught, but you don't have to worry about that. Okay, now you have the cover. Okay, put the cover back in. Boom, like that. See that? And then you got this, and then this is the belt clip. So that goes in like that. And you know, you could any way you want to, it will turn for you. You tighten this up. Okay. Okay. There you go. Now when that's tightened up, go ahead and test it out again. Perfect. Did you see that? Push it in. Boom. Okay. Boom. All right. I hope you learned something. And that's how you fix a measuring tape. Peace out.